it just me, or do you ever get so hungry before you go to sleep and start dreaming about chili oil noodles?
So I was trying to go to sleep the other day, and all of a sudden, I dreamt about chili oil noodles.
Well, I do. So I got my ongdongi downstairs.
엉덩이. Where's your 엉덩이?
And took out my emergency stash of shinramen.
I got my ondongi to the laundry room and took out my emergency stash of indomie.
I like my noodles al dente, so I cooked it for 3.5 minutes.
I like my noodles al dente. Ow! I like my noodles al dente, so I'm gonna cook it for 3 minutes.
Off heat, rinse in cold water, then drain.
Message calendar.
Now put 2/3 of the soup packet, some black pepper, a teaspoon of vinegar, sesame seeds, and 1 minced garlic.
Some packet seasoning, black vinegar, and some sesame seeds. Wait, what else did she say?
Now put 2/3 of the soup packet, some black pepper, a teaspoon of vinegar, sesame seeds, and 1 minced garlic.
Some black pepper, and then I'll risk my index finger to get some bad breath.
You want to pour in about 2 tablespoons of heated neutral oil right before it starts smoking into the bowl, and you'll hear the spices sizzle like this.
Pour neutral oil and hear the sizzle.
Look at the color on that chili oil. Honestly, not bad.
Look at the color of this chili oil. Why does it look so bad?
Then add some chives for an extra crunch, and obviously my cleaver has my username engraved because I'm extra delicious.
I think that's just extra, and my scallion is grouping up like a middle school lunch table.
This isn't some gently cooked sunny side egg bullshit. This is super scorching hot oil, crispy eggs Chinese style.
I usually prefer to eat the sunny side up bullshit, but since we have scorching hot oil, I guess we'll do Chinese style.
Ooh, look at that yolk.
Oof, I think we're losing the yolk.
This was incredibly creamy and the perfect satisfaction to my cravings. After that, I tried sleeping, but
my whole bed smells like oil and garlic now. Anyways, I think we overcooked the yolk. Let's mix it up a little bit. Time to taste, doobies. I'm very impressed by this recipe. The vinegar adds a lot of depth. The balanced flavors combined with the crispiness from the eggs makes it truly addicting. I probably wouldn't make it right before you go to bed because my hair smells like oil and my hand smells like garlic. Alright, thank you.